Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting day of mathematics. How's everybody doing? Good? All right, warm-up number 47 is on your screen. It's pretty much the same that we've been doing throughout the week. Hopefully, by today, you got that one by yourself. How about 7 minutes? Yes? All right, let's get started, please. And then afterwards, I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Marcus. He's going to guide you through this portion. All right? All right? Get to work, please. Back. All right, so the warm-up is done. Warm-up number 47. Make sure you turn that in. All right. Copy the agenda. Warm-up number 47. Enter two functions. Tonight, study your domain and range. What? Ooh, wow. Equality. Be nice. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So, yesterday you got a handout from the back with graph papers, right? We're going to go over that play sheet together just to make sure we get the extra practice. If you don't have one, go grab one from the back, please. You're going to need it. The handout that you got next to the graph paper in the back. That one's a home plate. Yeah. This one. So if you don't have it, yeah, get it from back there. Yes. Yeah, that one. No, I didn't. No, they brought it for me. No, I have not. Copy this code for the presentation access if you need to go in and re-practice what you saw. Focus, people. Focus. And just FYI, we turn in grades and you start getting report cards next week from the district. That's why I sent progress reports home yesterday. So, tomorrow we have a pop party. Hopefully that, helps you guys out pretty well. What's that? No, that's for the presentation. It's on this. Tuesday. Yeah. Yes. All right, that's nice home plate. Turn that in on Canvas. It's open. Turn that in, please. Good. Of course I can use that. Yes. It's a what? Yeah. Mr. Marcus, I have a next one waiting. They turned it in earlier for this period. All right, our objective for today, I can identify functions. So we're in the middle of domain and range and writing our three notations, which is inequality, set notation, and interval notation. We've had already 2 days. Today should be a review just to make sure we got it. All right? So, functions, you already have the notes for that. We don't need a Ferrer model. All right, so let's start with number 1 on that play sheet. Get that in front of you, please. It's going to go pretty quick, so stay focused on the paper. No. All right? Here we go. Question, between what x values is the domain? Talking to the neighbor. Between what x values is the domain of that function? Yeah, highlight if you have it. -2 and 2 I heard, so let's see. -2 all the way to 2. That is correct. So rewrite it out. Negative 2 to 2. It represents x. Arrows to the left. Tell your neighbor which one has the equal sign. The negative 2 has the equal sign. All right? This is my inequality notation. No. Of course. Yeah, I know. But what did we do in class? All three. Yeah, guys, hold on. Let me clarify this. Even though the play sheet had very space there, but what did we do in class? We did inequality, set notation, and interval notation. Come on now. Yeah. So, write your set notation, please, and interval notation for that domain. All right, Brian, help me out. Go. Bracket, X. Thank you. Hands if you got that. All right, interval notation. Pass someone, Brian. Who? Sorry. R2. Interval. Negative 2, comma. Positive 2. Bracket for the first one. Parentheses for the second. Hands if you got that. All right. So, we got the domain. Let's move on to the range. I'm going to pass this to Kayla. Kayla, what y values does this graph have from the bottom to the top for the y? Between what y values? Negative 4 to 4. Hands if you got that. That is correct. Negative 4 to 4. Y in between, arrows to the left. And Kayla, which one has the equal sign? The negative 4. That is correct. This is my inequality notation. Write down your set and interval notation, please. As soon as you're done, send me a picture of your work, please. Yes. It's 8 BTK9. That's the home plate. All right? Send that in, please. And we're moving on to number 2. Number 2. There you go. Let's keep it going. Talk to your neighbor, let them know between what x values is the domain for that one. Then we're going to pass this to Corey. She's going to get it started. Between what x values is the domain for number 2? All right, Tori, between what x values? Negative 2. No, between what? Two. Hands if you agree with that? That is correct. Negative 2 to 2. We got x in between, arrows to the left. Do any of them have an equal sign, Tori? No. That is correct because these are open points. All right. So this is my inequality. Write your set notation and interval notation. All right, set notation, help me out, Maddie, go. Bracket, such that. That is correct. Interval notation, pass someone. Daisy, go. -2 and 2, and then parentheses on both. Hands, if you got that? That is correct. All right, pass someone for the range. Range, between what y values do we need that graph? Tanya? Between 2 and 4, hands, if you got that? That is correct. So we go between 2 and 4, this is our y, less than and less than. Turn to your neighbor, let them know which one should have the equal sign. Which one should have the equal sign? Tanya, pass someone. Jasmine, which one should have the equal sign? Two, that is correct, because it's a solid curve here. The other one, the four, both of them are open points. All right, this is my inequality. Help me with a set notation. Sergio, go. Bracket. Yes. Pass it to someone for the interval notation. Go ahead, Jeff. Bracket. Let's go. All right, send me your notes on the screen, please. Yeah, the paper's back there. All right, before I move on to the next one, so far, how are we doing from 1 to 5? How are we doing with this? 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, okay? Yeah. Number 3. There it is. Oh, yeah. Copy that one. Or go to that one on your play sheets. All right, we're going to go with Sergio. He's going to help us with this one. Between what x values is the domain for that graph? -3. Zero. That is correct. -3 and 0. X. Arrows to the left. And do we have any equal signs, Sergio? No. Okay. Pass on for the set notation. Anthony, go. Bracket X. Thank you. Interval notation. Pass someone, Anthony. Andrew. That is correct. Pass someone for the range. What's the range from where to where? Jackson, from the bottom to the top. -3 all the way to. That is correct. Let's go. From -3 to 5, that's our y, less than and less than. Do we have any equal signs, though, Jackson? No. Why not? Because these are open points. Open points. All right. And you know how to write your set notation and interval. Send me that as soon as you're done, please. There's a screen. And just FYI, this session is being recorded, so. Yep. Of course they can. So, my computer. Yeah. Let's go. All right. Go to the next one. All right. Copy that one. Or go to number 4. Domain and range, all 3 different notations. And once again, hint, hint, wink, wink. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm giving you extra practice today. Let's go. Yes. All right, let's see. Who haven't we called on in a while? Let's go with Gael. Gael, help us out with the domain between what x values? -3 and -1. Damn, Gael, without missing the beat. -3 to -1, x, arrows to the left. And do we have equal signs? Yes, on the -3 because it's solid, and this one is a solid curve, so also on the -1. This is my inequality. Write your set notation and interval. Pass someone so they can help us with the set and interval. Isaac. Set. Bracket what? Interval, pass someone. Okay, go. The thingy. Bracket. Yes, that is correct. Huh? Nice. All right, go to the range. Pass someone. Isaac, between what y values? 0 and what? And 2. That is correct. Let's go. 0 and 2. Y less than, less than. And do we have any equal signs? Isaac? Yes, on both. All right. And then you write your set notation and interval notation. All right. Send me your notes as soon as you're done, please. Let's go. Interval notation only. Write me domain and range for interval notation only. Help society with that. No. You will next. Yeah. Remember, you're looking at first x values, but notice the points, I made them a little bit robust, so like that they go a little bit more than where they're at. So be careful where you're trying to pinpoint your domain. I did that on purpose. Same thing with the range. It's think outside the box. Okay. If you need to do zoom in, so like that you can see where it aligns on the x value. Same thing for the y value. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One that comes pretty close is this one. From one of your colleagues. It's on your screen. Look at it. Double check your work. Now, for those of you that are following on YouTube, here it goes. I'm going to first highlight the X value. Looks like it's -4. Now, could it have been a little bit further in from -4? Yes, because that's that little extra space right there. Yes. How about on the X? Same thing. It's not right at 7. It's a little bit more than 7. Yes. So that means my interval goes from, I'm just going to leave this at -4 all the way to 7.5, something like that. Solid points, and those are brackets. Once again, that's my interval notation. I'm just trying to clarify today which one is which. Think about that, because tomorrow's questions are going to be very specific. With that said, here goes the domain. That was the domain, the range. For the range, it's from here to here. If you did a little bit more, then that's fine. So we are at -3.5 all the way up to, I'm just going to leave it at 6 for right now, bracket and bracket. All right, how we doing? Good? All right, so check this out, guys. Look up. Question was, Mr. Q, if I wrote -3 and 7 without the symbols, that is incorrect. You need to either show parentheses or brackets. Oh, with a decimal. So let me zoom in. So look at that. It's almost heading into the 8. So well, it's going to be on, yeah. Yeah, you can pinch the screen. It doesn't go like that. All right. All right, send that in, please. Oh, my bad. You already wrote on the screen. Go to the next one. Here we go. Let's go with number 8. Look at number 8. That one? All right, get that in front of you. All right, find the domain and range. Start with the inequality. Go to your solution set. Then interval notation. All right, domain between what X values, sorry neighbor, and then Bella is going to enlighten us. Between what X values? All right, Bella, go. -2 and 5. Looks about right, so I'm going to write -2 and 5. X, arrows to the left. Any equal signs? No, this is my inequality notation. Next, set notation. Pass them on, Bella. Fernanda, go. So, set of X such that and that is called what? Set notation. Help me with the interval. Pass someone. Now, go. Interval notation. Bam, without a beat. Let's go. Interval notation. All right. Range. Pass someone for the range. R2. From where to where? From the bottom to the top. What Y values? That? All right, help them out. Okay. All right, help them out, Val. The range. Hold on, from -3 all the way to what? To 2. Yep. From there to there. So, write it out. -3 all the way to +2. Arrows to the left. Any equal signs, Val? No, because this is an open point as well as that one. Okay. Set notation. Isaiah, go. Uh-huh. Yes. Such that. And this is my set notation. All right. And last, interval notation. Greta, go. Parentheses. All right. Send that in, please. Not bad, not bad. All right. And let's do one more. I think we have room for one more. Is that correct? Yeah, I'll be calling on people so they can talk. All right. Here we go. That was good, right? That was good. Let's go to, let's see, we did that one, that one. All right, look at number 6. No room? Ooh, no. All right, do me a favor, look up. I want you to go to number 6, and I want you to sketch me a graph. Don't worry about this one. I want you to sketch a graph in here. Find me the domain and range for both. Go. Yes. You already did it? Okay, so then let me send you the screen. Sketch it on the screen. sketch me a graph on the screen right now. Yes, your own graph, and change the color to red. How about that? Sketch me a graph on the screen in red. Let me show you mine. Here it goes. I'm going to go from here, and I'm going to do something like that. There's mine in red, and I need to find the domain and range of that in red. Wow. So that one's mine. Don't copy mine. No, don't copy it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to change it. How about them apples? All right, I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to do... find the domain and range. All right, so for those of you following on YouTube, make sure you get some practice in, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.